Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can set up App Lock. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down and choose Security section. Now scroll down again, click on Privacy and App Encryption, click on Password options, and choose the best login method for your apps, in my case Pattern. Now you need to enter it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Over here, answer this security question. Tap on Question tool and answer it as well. When you finished, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Finally, select App Encryption and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to lock, like Chrome. So when I go back and try to access Chrome app, I can see that Pattern is now required. If you wish to disable App Lock from your app, access exactly the same settings, enter your privacy password, and tap on App Encryption again. Then tap on the same no blue switcher next to your app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!